Hey people, so I have like this tiny little brat here. Not brat, he's the cutest and most sensible of my rabbit puppies. Um, I put him here because I don't know, behind the curtain it's a window which can, it's a sharp fall down 3 floors, and this little guy likes to go and climb on top of that, on top of the sofa, so that faces the window. And that little hero is digging something from the bag. It is like, having 10 rabbits is like having 10 siblings in the house. And this hero, what are you doing? What do you want to do? The earliest recording of these rabbits I have with this one only, the grey one. My son calls him Juno, because he looks like the absolute Xerox copy of his dad. He is or she is, I'm not sure. Now when I'm looking at her, sometimes I feel it's a girl, but then again this is like a boy. Boys tend to have a very big face. Hello hero. And that lady, that is a lady, I'm presuming. Girls tend to have more almost an athletic build, so yeah. And this is one more, yet another. Perfect, my life is perfect. I know the fourth one is the naughtiest. It is a light gray one, so I'll try and catch that guy. So on that note, see, I have to do sweeping of the house now. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.